Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. It is easy pose, but because it is easy to do, that's why we do so many mistakes. In today's class, I will be teaching you the correct way of doing Bhujangasana. What is Bhujangasana? What is the meaning of this pose? And the benefit of doing Bhujangasana. How it can treat your lower back pain. Namaste to all yogis. Welcome back to your YouTube channel, Prashant Yoga. Bhujangasana. Understand first. Bhujang. Have you seen sometime the snake, Cobra, how he lift his back and chest is open, how he lift himself off the ground. This position called Bhujang. Bhujang is not a cobra. It is a position of the cobra. Did you see how the cobra is lifting? It means how much back is strong. So when you perform Bhujangasana, first of all, this is very clear that your back muscles will be very strong. So it means those who are having lower back pain, back cramp or weak back, this Bhujangasana can be beneficial for you. Second, snake digestive system is very powerful. Whatever snake eats, easily it digests. Even he doesn't have teeth to chew, but still all the digestive system works very nicely. If you perform Bhujangasana everyday routine, so this improves the digestive fire and helps your digestion to work nicely. Bhujang, so it means arm support. So in this asana, because it's a prone position, let's see that how we perform this asana. You first come to prone position when you are on the belly. So this is a position, prone position, supportive. Preparation of Bhujangasana is makarasana, crocodile pose. How the makarasana need to be done? So see my toes. Toes are separate to the sideways. This toe, the right also to the side. I will first adjust this and then I will bring the hand here like this, elbow together, you place and then exhalation, you rest your forehead here. Your forehead will be resting on the forearm. Very important in makarasana is the chest is higher. Your chest will not touch the ground. Only navel will touch the ground, and then this is a preparation of Bhujangasana. So Bhujangasana, if you see the snake lift the body without arm, it means your back can be strong only when you will use less arm pressure, more lower back strength. Many people, the first mistake when people do, what they do, they push the hands down against the floor and push yourself up. This is how you are doing Bhujangasana. And sometimes, second mistake when people do, they do like this. See, arm straight and shoulder goes to the ear. This is second mistake people do. The third mistake when you do in Bhujangasana, some people they place the hands front and push the body to lift up. This is also. Understand very clearly. If you do normal back bend, this is fine. If you are working with lower back, flexibility. Some people in the class, they push against the wall. There's a wall, they push hands against the wall and they try to bend backward. Another mistake, what they do, they bring the palm here and they lift the whole body like this. These are the few common mistakes that many students and practitioners, they do when it comes to Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana and upward facing dog, two are different asana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, there you lift your pelvic up off the ground, but Bhujangasana down. So Bhujangasana, what happens that the pelvic bone, this area and the navel in the beginning stage will rest the floor, and when you go little higher, navel will go off the ground, but the pelvic will not go too much up. You will not go like this up. You need to be very careful first, understand. Now second thing, when you do Bhujangasana, do not bring the palm here towards the shoulder, beside the shoulder or beside the ear. Always hands will be closer to the chest. See here. This. One more mistake many students I saw, what they do, they separate the elbow like this and they lift the body like this, elbow side. No. In Bhujangasana, elbows are always closer to the body because when the elbows are side, see my shoulder, how it comes forward. This. So when the elbows side, my shoulder comes forward and it giving me, I am trying to open my chest, but it is giving me round shoulder. So what will happen? Your breathing will change. This mistake we don't want. Always elbows are closer to the body, and this is how you will open your chest. So this can give you very good for asthma people. It open up the chest and giving you broadness in this area. Another thing, leg position. Sometimes legs people do together, sometimes they do separate. That can be managed. If you are very stiff, cannot even go up, separate leg. If you are flexible, you can go for together. Let's begin the practice. So bring the palm, separate the fingers. See my fingers. Don't bring the hands like this close. Separate the palm, fingers closer to the chest, and first starting position is forehead down. This. Now separate the leg little bit, hips distance, toes pointing backward, forehead. This is the starting position. Now, as you inhale, press the palm less on the ground, more lift the chest. Here, elbows close to the body, look up. Stretch the throat and breathe. To keep the legs active, press the ankles on the ground, shoulders away from your ears, shoulder blades together. And as you exhale, slowly you come down. Touch the forehead. This is one round. Did you see how I did? I just lift my navel up. My pelvic is on the ground. See here, my pelvic on the ground. I'm just bringing the elbow close to my body and I lift my chin up. In that case, your throat from the front body, chin to the navel center, there should be one single stretch. If it is one single stretch, it means your Bhujangasana is correct. In Bhujangasana, secret is from the navel till the chin, one single stretch you should have. Arms always bending, never make it straight. Otherwise, your back will urge most of the people, because regular practice of this straight arm Bhujangasana, they develop lower back urge, over urge, which is lordosis urge. And then later, their back is all automatically over urged. And then problems start. Don't do. Let's try one more time. And after finishing Bhujangasana, you come to makarasana, resting pose. Then I will tell you the counter pose after Bhujangasana. Let's try. Place the hand close to the chest, not there, close to the chest, forehead down, come to starting position. I want everyone first, complete exhale. Now spread the fingers. First in the beginning, you roll your shoulders back, bring the shoulders away from your ears. Take one inhale, press the palm little bit, not too much, and try to lift yourself from the lower back. Lift the navel when you feel navel is up, look up. And now stay here, 5 breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you exhale, you slowly come down, forehead down. If your arms are tired, rest your hands to the side, palm facing up. Little bit you will stay here, and once you are ready, then again next round, palms close to chest, inhale, come up. Roll the shoulders back, look up. Breathing slow and deep. Fix the gaze at one point or just close your eyes. Exhale slowly down. This is how you will perform. Someone have a sciatica pain, slip disc. Bhujangasana can be helpful, but basic Bhujangasana. So how you will do? You will place the elbow front. It's like a forearm on the floor, and this is how you will do Bhujangasana. And as you exhale, you will place the elbow to the side, forehead down. Then again inhale, lift up, elbows in, and then again chest up, look up. And you will stay 5 breaths. So this is therapeutic Bhujangasana. Previously was a complete proper Bhujangasana, and this one therapeutic Bhujangasana. One more variation of Bhujangasana that you can also perform with lifted arm. That is also very good for the lower back strength. Okay, so what you can do is, for example, this is your position was proper Bhujangasana, elbow close, head down. As you inhale, you press the palm, lift your chest, and now at the same time, lift your hands also up. And you stay here at least for 10 seconds. You can count mentally. As much as possible, lift your chest higher. As much as possible, lift your chest higher. Then exhale, slowly down. Palms down and head down. This is how the another variation can be. And this variation actually I found much more effective than the previous one for lower back pain. I also have this back pain left side, and I do this every day. This is very good pose for back strength. So this pose you must do every day. All the 3 variation you can do every day actually. And when you balance flexibility and strength together, this is how the balance comes. Next, very important, see the leg. In Bhujangasana, what happens, many people they lift the leg. No. Lower body in Bhujangasana work as a foundational part. It is strong and firmly grounded. So whenever you lift in Bhujangasana like this, I want you to press the ankles strongly on the ground, stretching the toes, stretching the buttocks away from the lower back. Then by pressing the lower legs, and then only you will lift the body up. Okay, this you will do. And then once you complete, you will press the palm and simply you go for separate knee child pose. Little bit separate. Press the heels, arms are straight and extended hands and forehead down. This extended child pose video I already created. So you can go to the video section and you can find extended child pose balasana, how to perform. So this is how you will rest for at least 5 to 10 breaths. And then you come up. This is how Bhujangasana need to be performed. So first variation is normal, bringing the hand close to chest like this, elbows closer. Second variation I told you forearm resting. That is a therapeutic one. Otherwise you are up. The very important thing, you are not pushing yourself against too much. Use the lower back. It is a lower back strengthening pose. It is not an opening pose only. Don't push the hands against the floor and giving you urge over urge. Bhujangasana doesn't work like this. And when you perform this and stay here, at least for 5 deep breaths, and you can repeat this for 3-4 times. Every morning if you try this, so flexibility will improve, digestive system will be always good, you will not have constipation because it stretches the lower belly. So for constipation, regular constipation, Bhujangasana can become very good practice. Bhujangasana also helps to tone the internal organs, because normally in office people, this is very good for those who sit longer in office. So the habit for them is front of computer or front of some work, they become like this. Bhujangasana open up the body, broaden the chest, and it helps you to clear your breath. It helps you to take deep and deep breath more. This is how the Bhujangasana can help. We will end here, perform this pose, and then see how you can get the benefit. Write me in a comment if you have any question regarding this asana or any other asana. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. And if you like, you can share this and teach others. This is again your contribution. Thank you so much. See you next time.